Borland's announces strategic partnership with For.Tec. Borland's is pleased to announce a strategic alliance with For.Tec, an Italian leader with over 50 years of expertise in the design, manufacture, and installation of advanced ecological systems. This collaboration enhances our ability to deliver state-of-the-art environmental technologies tailored to projects of any scale, from local facilities to large government initiatives. Comprehensive service offering. We provide end-to-end solutions that cover every stage of a project lifecycle, ensuring reliable performance and maximum uptime. Spare parts dispatched worldwide within 24 hours, 24/7 telephone technical support. Worldwide installations by certified For.Tec and Borland's technicians on-site and remote maintenance services, after-sales support, including upgrades and retrofits, feasibility studies and analysis of customer specifications, customized design, construction, and factory testing. Product portfolio highlights medical waste incinerators, customizable units for hospitals and laboratories, animal carcass incinerators, high-capacity systems for farms, abattoirs, and zoos, crematoriums, human and pet models, ash processors, mobile solutions, rapid deployment incinerators for emergency and disaster response, industrial ovens, pyrolytic ovens for hazardous and industrial waste, emission control systems, integrated fumes, depuration, and filtration plants, quality assurance and certifications. Our commitment to quality and compliance is validated by internationally recognized certifications, including ISO 9001-2015, ISO 14001-2015, EN ISO 15614-1, EN ISO 96061-AG, NGAGE, and DUNS number. Procurement and project management. Borland's oversees every phase of procurement to ensure regulatory compliance and alignment with client objectives. Equipment selection based on performance, cost, and regulatory requirements. Coordination of logistics, customs clearance and on-site delivery, project planning and installation scheduling, factory acceptance testing, and on-site commissioning. Continuous post-sales support. We deliver sustained value through robust post-sales services, including scheduled preventive maintenance, remote diagnostics, and software updates, spare parts inventory management, and operator training and certification programs. Why choose Borland's and Associates? With nearly 30 years of industry experience and a global network of manufacturing partners, Borland's and Associates offers proven expertise in ecological and medical incineration technologies, end-to-end project execution, from consulting to long-term support, tailored solutions that balance innovation, quality, and cost-effectiveness, and a dedicated partnership approach focused on client success. Contact information: Borland's and Associates, Johnson City, TN 37604 USA. Phone +1 423 750 2478. Email sales@borlandsinc.com. Websites borlandsinc.com and borlandsdo.com. Discuss your next project with our specialists and discover how we can integrate cutting-edge environmental technologies into your operations.